If you're experiencing pending transfers on Lyft, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you resolve those issues quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transfer status. Open the Lyft app and navigate to the earnings section. Check the status of your pending transfers to see if there are any notifications or alerts that require your attention. Step 3. Update your app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app installed. Go to your device's app store and check for updates, as older versions may have bugs that affect transfer processing. Step 4. Contact Lyft support. If the issue persists, reach out to Lyft support through the app. Use the help section to submit a request or chat with a representative who can assist you with your pending transfer. Step 5. Wait for processing. After addressing any issues, be patient as transfers may take some time to process. Typically, transfers can take a few business days, so check back later to see if the issue has resolved itself. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfer issues on Lyft. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.